Right, we're back, and this is episode 29, and the first segment, and I've got to go revisit my Starship Dirt, because basically I forgot to do underneath there, along there with the tracks and everything, because the rest are going to be dusty anyway. So that is what we've got to do now. So I'm going to be mixing that now with a bit of thinners, odorless thinners. And as you can see, I'm on the side now. It took a little while for me to sort it out, because I want to be able to see the whole vehicle in a shot, but without seeing the rest of the bench. And the Sony camera is actually, I've still got the one above, the Canon above, which I still like doing, because I will have to use that once I'm on the bigger kits. But when you're doing smaller bits, I can actually do things with this camera as well. And I've got it on, plugged in electricity, so I don't have to worry about batteries and going out at all. The only thing that could happen is that the Rode mic goes down, but that's a rechargeable, and I can do that while it's actually on the camera actually. So that's good. Right, here we go then. So I'm going to put a bit of thinners in here. It's a bit too deep. I want to go back to the old-fashioned way of doing it. You can't see me doing it, but I'm doing this on a pipette. I'll put that behind here so I don't knock it over. Right, and so that's what we're going to be doing. You'll see me mixing it here now. But the main thing you want me to see is putting it on. So, and I'm going to use this thick brush because I want to go underneath the button. So as you can see, and I've got a bit of tissue. In this, here we go. I'm going to do this, and it's still got all the clear varnish on this, so that's okay. I don't care about putting it on too heavy, because it's all going to come off. And a bit more up there, a bit round there, a bit round there. Right, and in there. So that bit side's done. Bit there as well. Well, there we go. So now we're going to get another brush, which is this one, and I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to get a bit of clear bit on here, and I'm going to excuse me, and I'm going to start getting some of it off now. You can see it goes down quite quickly, and I'm just going to search up around there. It's going to get some other stuff on it later. Oops, there you go. Not too much, there we go. Ooh. Might have to go out a little bit in a minute, but that's not going to look too bad there. I'm not too worried about that. And I think you can see that's going to be looking a lot better. I can see it better. But I'm going to do the other side now, and we just keep streaming back. A bit on the back there, yeah, I forgot about that. There you go. And that. Right, here we go. So we're going to do the other side now. And pour that down there. the middle. That's it. And come back over and do this side. I might need a little bit less of this, but anyway, doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm going on a bit lighter now. Oh, you can see now I'm trying a new angle now, so I can't see what I'm doing, but I could have gone over the top for this bit. Right, put that one bit down. I've used the wrong brush for that, haven't I? So this is my cleaning brush. But anyway. Right. Let's go out a little bit. There you go. I think that might be a bit better. I can always zoom in and show you when I'm doing the detail bits. Right, back there this one. It does dry back lighter anyway, as you know. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm going to go a bit higher, but I don't want to be too high. Right. Because I don't want to go too high, I'll go a bit more up, just slightly up. I'll turn it off for a couple of seconds. Right, I'm back in again, and I was doing a bit more underneath and round here on the tank, and I actually forgot to switch it on. I switched it off because I thought myself I was doing something, and then I forgot. So, but I can show you now. I'm going to let it dry for a little while. Or I'll take the turret off because just in case. But I've done underneath, and you can see it's you can see it's fading back. And even there's blotchy, but that's okay. You want it would be blotchy underneath. It's going to get a bit more washy anyway. So I've done all that, and so that's not a problem. So we're going to come and let it dry, and then I'm going to come in with some a bit of other colouring, and it should most probably be a bit of red primer, a little bit rusty in there, and that's what we're going to go through next. But as you can see with the actual tank, there has got a bit of definition on it. In regards to shading, even the strap looks as if it's actually been strapped on now with the same wash, so that was okay. That's what I did, and I did that on video talking, and I hadn't switched it on, so that was one of the things. And normally I can see it on the screen with the other overhead camera. So, but yeah, so I put it like this, like that, so you can just looks a bit different. But yeah, so coming out quite nicely at the moment. So what's this? That's it. Okay. I keep moving the things around here. Right, there we go. Let's move my phone before it rings again. That's it, about there. Now if I move this one slightly, it'll be alright. It's getting used to it because the direction. Right, anyway, so you can see what we've done. And there we got it around the side a bit. That's the fuel tank. I'm really pleased with that now. That looks quite nice. So we're going to come back in with another wash after this. I'm going to just let it dry. So let's catch you on the next segment.